Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to play Pokemon TCG Pocket Tutorial. Pokemon TCG Online is a digital version of the iconic card game. It's free to play and you can collect cards, build decks, and battle players worldwide. You can play on your computer, tablet, or phone. So let's get started with the essentials. Setting up your deck. In Pokemon TCG, your deck has 60 cards. These include Pokemon, Energy, and Trainer cards. If you are new, the game provides ready-to-play themed decks, so no need to worry about building one just yet. Each deck needs basic Pokemon. These are the ones you can play at the start of a match. Energy cards power your attacks, and Trainer cards give you special effects like healing or drawing extra cards. Once your deck is ready, click play to find a match. Gameplay basics. Here's how a game works. At the start, you and your opponent draw 7 cards. Pick a basic Pokemon as your active Pokemon and place it in the active spot. You can also set up to 5 more Pokemon on your bench as backup. A coin flip decides who goes first. Then it's time to play. Each turn has 3 main steps. Draw a card. Start every turn by drawing 1 card from your deck. Play your cards. Attach 1 energy card per turn to power up your Pokemon and use trainer cards to boost your energy. You can also evolve Pokemon in stronger forms during this phase. Number 3, attack your opponent. Use your active Pokemon's attack if it has enough energy. The damage is applied to the opponent's active Pokemon. If you knock it out, you take a prize card. Remember, you can only attack once per turn. How to win. There are 3 ways to win in Pokemon TCG Online. First, take all 6 of your prize cards by knocking out your opponent's Pokemon. The second is to knock out all of your opponent's Pokemon, leaving them with none in play. The third, if your opponent can't draw a card at the start of their turn, you win by default. And that's how you play Pokemon TCG Online. Ready to jump in and battle? Download the game, start building your deck, and challenge the world. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave us a good comment down below, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.